36. Jonah. I like Jonah, the prophet. He reminds me of many people I know, including myself. Jonah was commanded by God to go and preach to Nineveh and to the Assyrians, whom Jonah hated. He wanted God's judgment on Nineveh, not his mercy. He tried to run away from God and ended miserably in the belly of a great fish. Well, by the grace of God and maybe indigestion, the fish vomited out Jonah onto dry land, and so he had to preach to Nineveh. Here was an unwilling preacher in an evil city. Yet, by God's grace, the people were converted. For a generation and more, Assyria's evil march ended. But we are told Nineveh's conversion, quote, displeased Jonah exceedingly, and he was very angry. Jonah 4:1. Nineveh was a hot country. Jonah's shade was a gourd vine under which he rested. God, however, killed the gourd vine, and so Jonah pouted and complained to God angrily. God then rebuked Jonah for feeling sorry over the death of a gourd vine, but at the same time having no pity for Nineveh, whose inhabitants numbered 120,000 children alone. In other words, Jonah had a warped perspective. His comfort was more important than God's work and the lives of untold numbers of men, women, and children. In this respect, too many of us are like Jonah, too much absorbed with our own feelings to think of God and others. God was very patient with Jonah. Pray that he may be patient with us.